So this exercise is going to show the power of words, and we are going to use divining rods. Now, divining rods have been used for hundreds, if not thousands of years to find things like water in the ground. They're very sensitive to energies. And these are ones that we made from home, you could probably tell. It's just a coat hanger that my husband cut off and folded into the letter L. And we have added this little purple sticky Post-it note just so you can see the movement of them a little bit better. But they will show the energies of the words that we say. I want people to understand how powerful our words are. And what I'm going to do is hold them very lightly. I'm not moving them. I promise I'm not moving them. But I'm going to walk at Becky, my friend Becky, and my daughter Allie is doing our videoing. It's lovely. But I'm going to walk at her saying different things, and I want you guys to watch and see what these divining rods do. So let's try it. Okay. All right, we're ready. I hate you, Becky. You're just stupid. You're annoying to be around. I can't stand you. Do you see what they did? Can you see? They went together, right? I didn't do that. Okay, we're gonna try it again. Okay. I love you, Becky. You're a joy to be around. I love how encouraging you've been to me, how much you've helped me with everything. Okay, now do you see what they did? They went out, right? We're gonna do this one more time. And this shows not only the power of our words, but also the power of our own minds. So Becky, as I'm walking saying things to you, I want you to be thinking in your mind how wonderful you are, that you love yourself. Just be saying to yourself positive things, okay? Okay, we're gonna do it again. Oh, Becky, I hate you. You're just disgusting. You disgust me. I hate being around you. You're just boring. Do you see what they did? They didn't do anything. So Becky was able to use her energy to keep positive and keep that away. Now, we're gonna try one more thing with these, and I've never done this with such a small group, but if you will look around the yard a little bit, you'll see there's a lot of plants. So what we're gonna do is the three of us are going to focus. Let's see, I'm gonna stand like this, and we are going to send all our love and energy to that beautiful big tree over there in the corner. Allie's even gonna join us. Okay, ladies, so we are all going to focus our love and energy on that beautiful big tree. Okay, do you see what they did? Can you tell on the camera what they did? They all pointed. Do you want to show them the tree? They all pointed towards that big, beautiful tree that blesses our yard. So this exercise is really just to show us how powerful we are, how powerful our words and our thoughts are. Thank you all.